Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Cash App how to send money to bank. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is simply open up your app or simply open up Cash App in your browser, and then once inside be sure to be logged into your account, and once logged in simply tap on the banking icon or the balance amount on the home screen. Then simply tap on cash out or withdraw and then enter the amount you want to transfer to bank. And now here what you need to do is choose deposit speed from selecting either standard deposit, which usually is free and takes 1 to 3 business days, or instant deposit, which is usually a small fee. Funds appear immediately. Then confirm your bank account if you haven't linked a bank account yet, and one by entering your bank routing and account numbers, or log in by bank. And if your bank is already linked, just confirm it. Then lastly tap on confirm to complete the transfer. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.